Hey Pash fam, I'm Chelsea and I'm back with another challenge of the week. We hope you had fun learning new things last week, and here at Passion Planner, we're super nosy and we really want to get to know our Pash fam, so please feel free to comment below with what you learned last week. Also, we got something coming for you next week, so sit tight, and that's it. I'm zipping my mouth about it. Just sit tight, you'll just have to wait and see. So, for this week's challenge, we wanted to take it up a notch from last week. We went from learning something new, and this week, we will be doing the impossible. So let's get started. When you are faced with a task that seems impossible, break it down into smaller, more manageable steps. Try to tackle at least one of these steps daily and let momentum help you reach your ultimate goal. So I'd like to first start off with what makes things seem impossible. It is fear. And where does that fear stem from? It stems from things that challenge our pride and our ego, like rejection, failure, loss. And I'd like to note that everybody has pride and ego, that we're all on the spectrum. So the first step is just being aware of it and accepting it and finding peace in that. So what is the solution? It's action. You might have heard the quote, "Action cures fear." Here at Passion Planner, that's been our motto since day one. And if it weren't for that motto, we simply wouldn't be where we are today. And with that said, nothing is impossible. Now I'll briefly talk about how you can incorporate your planner when taking on the impossible task. Number 1, break it down in your infinite space of possibilities. Number 2, schedule it in, whether that's your monthly agenda, the weekly agenda, or even your Passion Planner daily, whatever works best for you. Number 3, build momentum. Celebrate your victories. Celebrate every single time you check something off the list. And it doesn't have to be a huge celebration, but just give yourself a pat on the back, whatever makes you feel good. And number 4, when it's all said and done, take some time to reflect. One of the things I learned is that fear is inevitable, but anything is possible. And with that said, may the 4th be with you as you take on the impossible. And always remember, Chelsea Wong believes in you.